Hello, this is Douglas, and today I got a new puzzle box. It's called the Puzzle Box V3. There's a full view of it. So now I'll show you how it works. So first, you take this part out. You then stick it in there. Then a cool thing is you push this in, and then that piece comes out. So you take that piece, you stick it in there. Gotta push a bit. Just want to put my hand here so it doesn't fly out. It's so hard to take out. And you can put whatever you want in here. Kind of broke a little bit. So that's pretty much all there is to my puzzle box. But I have a key, like this. If you're wondering why that piece has a hole, I have a key just to help reset it. You stick it in there and then pull it out. It's just easy as that. So that's my puzzle box. See you later and subscribe.
To what? What's your website?
And also visit LegoDoug.com.